Hello everyone, this is Microwave Stimulation Project presented by Konni Bhumke and Sadasivani Sonali Lakshmi. The topics we learned during this internship are Introduction to C, what is embedded systems and microcontrollers, conditional loops and operators, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes, MPLAB IDE, XCB, PixMLab, Introduction to various peripherals of PIC16F877A, interfacing various peripherals of PIC16F877A, followed by multiple quizzes. Contents of this project are Introduction to Microwave, what is embedded systems and its types, microcontrollers and microprocessors, requirements, project implementation, working and stimulation, results and conclusion. This is the introduction to microwave. A microwave is a relatively small box-like oven that rises temperature of food by subjecting it to high frequency electromagnetic field. These microwaves are absorbed by water, fats, sugars and certain other molecules whose consequent vibrations produce heat. We are going to implement 4 modes of microwave. They are micro mode, grill mode, convection mode and start mode. First mode is micro mode. Micro mode is used to cook food in traditional way. It uses maximum power of 900 watts. Second one is grill mode. Grill mode is used to cook meat. Third one is convection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. Fourth one is start mode. The start mode is used to start the function by the user. The next topic is C programming. The C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie for creating system applications that directly interact with hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. In this embedded system internship, we discussed about conditionals and loops, operators, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes and preprocessors. The next topic is embedded systems and its types. Embedded systems is the combination of hardware and software which do a specific task. There are 4 types of embedded systems: real time embedded systems, standalone embedded system, network embedded system, mobile embedded system.
The next topic is microprocessor. A microprocessor is a computer processor where the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of ICs. The microprocessor contains the arithmetic, logic and control circuitry required to perform the functions of a computer's central processing unit. The microprocessor reads the setting input on the keypad into its memory. Signals are sent to the display to indicate the cooking mode and cooking period set. Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input or output peripherals on a single chip. A microwave oven controller takes input from a keypad, display output on an LCD display, and controls a relay that turns the microwave generator on and off. Requirements for this project are MPLab IDE, PiximLab, CLCD, MKP, PIC16, F877A timers. The first requirement is PiximLab. PiximLab is a real-time emulator of development boards with integrated MPLabX. PiximLab supports some Pixim microcontrollers and some SimAVR microcontrollers. PiximLab have integration with MPLabX Arduino IDE for programming the board's microcontrollers. The next requirement is MPLab IDE. MPLabX Integrated Development Environment is an expandable, highly configurable software program that incorporates powerful tools to help you discover, configure, develop, debug, and qualify embedded designs for most of our microcontrollers and digital signal controllers. MPLabX supports automatic code generation with the MPLab code configurator and the MPLab Harmony configurator plugins. The next requirement is CLCD. The full form of CLCD is Character Liquid Crystal Display. In PiximLab, there are two types of display. First one is 16x2 display. A 16x2 LCD means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are two such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in 5x7 pixel matrix. The 16x2 intelligent alphanumeric dot matrix display is capable of displaying 224 different characters and symbols. And the second one is 16x4 display, means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are 4 such lines. This is a popular 16x4 LCD with green backlight. It displays the ASCII character and some special characters. Two types of communication modes. First one is 4-bit mode and second one is 8-bit mode. The next requirement is MKP. It is matrix keypad. Matrix keypad consists of push button switches that are located at the column and row intersections of a grid or matrix connected together as are switches in the same column. As you can see in the following figure, when you press a switch, it connects a row to a column. These keypads are most used in digital lockers, telephones, calculators, etc. The next requirement is timers. Timers are used to measure. The next requirement is timers. Timers are used to measure a specific time intervals, but in electrical engineering terms, timers are also referred to as counters often. The timer is a component which is extensively used in different embedded systems. They are used to keep a record of time for different events occurring in the embedded systems. The timer is a simpler binary counter which is configured in a circuit or a system as per the need to count the pulses in the system. The value of the timer is automatically set to 0 once it is at its maximum value. Timer or counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. Resolution, which is also called register with 18 or 16 bit etc. Quantum, which depends on the system setting, is a measure of time which is responsible for the tick. Scaling may be prescaler or post-scaler. Now you can see the architecture of PIC16 F877A.
Topic is the project implementation or project working. A device called magnetron inside the oven produces microwaves. The microwaves reflect off the metal interior of the oven and causes the water molecules in the food to vibrate. This vibration results in friction between molecules, which produces the heat that cooks the food. And below pictures are the visual representation of this process. The next topic is stimulation. In stimulation, the power on screen used to power on the microcontroller, and menu display screen is used to display modes, and time display time, and the clear screen is used to clear each mode, and set time and set temperature is used to set time and temperature based on the need. The next topic is output of this project. These below two figures are showing the output for micro mode, and micro mode is used for heating the food items. And the next mode is grill mode. Grill mode is used for frying of food items. These two figures showing the output of this grill mode. And the next mode is convection mode. Convection mode is used to preheat for particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. And these below two figures are the output of this convection mode. And next topic is the results. And the next topic is results. These are the results of this project. First is showing the result for power on screen. The second picture is showing cooking mode displays. And third picture is showing micro mode. And fourth picture is showing grill mode. And fifth picture is showing convection mode. And sixth picture is showing the invalid temperature. Conclusion. The microwave processing technology required to learn and understand. The microwave oven will update according to technology, and most likely candidates for future production sale applications will take full advantages of unique characteristics of microwaves. Microwaves are widely employed in modern technology, including point-to-point communication lines, wireless communications, etc. Overall, we observed working of different modes in micro oven using PIC 16F877A microcontroller in PIC Simlab. Thank you.